Everyone, welcome back in video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. And in this video, we're going to talk about one of the Figma feature that was announced on Figma Config 2025. I have already made like the videos for Figma Buzz, for Figma Grids, and also one of another Figma feature that was announced. You can probably see on my YouTube channel already. I'm just skipping his name. It's his name actually. But now the other Figma feature that was Figma Make, which is actually like the Figma Real AI. You can design with just a single prompt, and you don't need to write any code, and you can hit publish to your design as well, right? And so there is actually still in the enterprise level, professional level, and Figma is rolling out to its users slowly. But here, if you look at the landing page of Figma Make, so you can see that Figma clearly says that you can now make your ideas real with AI. So you just have to design. Sorry, you have to just write a prompt, and Figma will convert into the professional design with the prototype fast and everything within the Figma, right? So I got an access right away. So now I actually want to make a video and give it a hit and experience. I didn't try it at all initially, so that will be the first experience that I will be looking at this one. So basically, you can see that animate and load count from zero. So actually, like Figma is pointing this thing as well, that now you can have point edit mode as well, that you can point edit specific point as well. So then you can edit and fine tune with AI infos, and also you can hit publish. So that is actually how Figma make AI is working, right? So let's quickly jump into the Figma AI. So that's how actually the interface look like. Right at the top, you can see the Figma untitled. You can hear like the name, right? Then you can see the Figma details here, main menu. Then it is also in the beta form. Then we have refresh our preview. Also we have the console. Then we have preview and code, two different mode. And here we have full screen, same like prototype view, and we have make setting as well. So if you go into the make setting, you can see a few general setting here. You can update your favorite font, social media sharing, and also right here you have two domains as well, right? And then you can quickly hit publish. So yeah, okay. Let's quickly give it a try. Here we have the chat AI current side. The chat AI basically tab bar, and here is the central canvas. And right here you can either paste your Figma frame, or maybe you can describe your idea. Then you can also attach your Figma file. You can attach an image. You can select from library. You have a point and edit. Then here you can see it basically is using the Claude, which is an AI powerful tool by Anthropic. It is an amazing tool, really helping developer. So let's quickly write here uh, design landing page. Sorry, design a landing page for uh, pizza shop named as Pizza Valley. This is just like a simple thing, a simple prompt, and quickly I'm going to hit on like create. It is thinking now right here, and analyzing all those stuff, right? The code is basically analyzing. It says that we are building an idea. It quickly like starts showing me this code stuff, right? And being as a designer who is not a technical person, I really want to see the visual first rather than this technical code. It is basically creating a kind of a headache for me. This is from my side is a negative thing. It's my personal point that it need to show me the design actually, uh, as we see in the book, or as we see in available. They are actually showing the design thing first, right? not exactly the code. Actually, because being as a designer, the person who don't know about these technical things, don't want to see this mess as well, right? But let's see how actually it works out. It takes a lot of time. I have already like heard by different creators that it actually takes time. So let's see. I'm waiting for it. How much actually it takes? It is going to take around approximately 1 minute. That I can see. Okay. I think it has created, and now if you can see that make now try it out and then chat. It is. I'm not sure uh, what are these tooltips, but actually they are now giving me the user onboarding. This is really bad Figma. Again, I really wanted to see these things initially, and then here it says done. How does it look? And then just I'm going to do thumbs down because I can't see anything. And here it has is showing that everything is done pretty, but again here it is showing that these 10 plus errors. So fix me. So if I click on fix me, so it is now going to fix. But actually here it was showing that the version 1 is ready. I was not able to see anything. Again, thumbs down, Figma. This is not good thing to start with. You initially started showing me some technical stuff that was like code. I really don't. I really hated that stuff. I don't want to see these things. Please directly show me the visuals. And now again, it is writing the code. Let's see how actually it works. Again, we have to wait. Okay, let's wait until Figma do these things. You can do one thing, and that is please hit the subscribe button. You haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do it. I usually try to bring valuable contents. I do it slowly. I prefer it, but actually I try to bring the content as well. So let's see how actually Figma brings these things, the code and everything. But keep in mind, Figma actually did one best thing, and that is breaking down the code into the section. So if I can see that these attributions, guidelines, components, styles, and everything codes is different. So that is a pretty good thing. Let's see how Figma create these things. So now Figma created, and now, actually, it is going to show me the preview. Figma directly converted again. It's again really bad. Again, two errors here. So let's quickly again jump into fix them. Okay, G. Now this was the sixth version, and probably yes, after six versions, Figma has given me this website design. The design looks really good, to be honest. It's pretty amazing. I can see if I click on the console, I can see few things as well here, but I don't have that collapse things here, so I can only. But okay, here we can see few animation. The images is here missing. So why? But this image contain the alt text here as well. But if I look at the design thing, it looks really great. Figma has used. Okay, I can see that I can okay do these things perfect. Then we have few images here. So this image is not perfect. This looks really great. Here I see few problem with the stars as well. So Figma tried to use emojis. I'm not sure why, but okay, it works. Then here we see few contrast issues. Here Figma tried to use Figma grid. That's a good thing. Okay, so you can view them and right here get directions and everything. Overall, it looks really cool. I just gave a single prompt, but Figma tried to use emojis. I'm not sure why, but keep in mind you have another thing that is point and edit. So if I go over select that point and edit and if hover over, so we have this div and based on div here you can ask about the changes as well. In case if you want to do by yourself, you can do by yourself as well. And if I like go into this button thing, I'm not sure why it is not giving me an access to edit personally, even though I have like I can edit. Uh, it is the access here, but it is only asking me to change it. But here, if I select this button, and you can see that it has given me selected that button here, and I can quickly prompt them and change everything as well. So overall, it looks really cool. So if I go into this thing and we go into the preview mode, it looks somehow really good. Uh, okay, I'm not sure why this wasn't made by Figma. Never enter or share your personal information in Figma Make. So this is another thing that it was this wasn't made by Figma. So it actually made me something that why it was not made in Figma. But here you can again show here in jump into the Figma Make editor as well. Copy and you can share, right? And if I scroll down, it has few elements. Okay, yeah, pretty good. Looks pretty cool. It works, but actually those six versions and then error and everywhere was an environment thing that really took the time. So I think Figma need to work on that part. But let's okay. You can see here we have point and X section, and then we can link to the code and everything. These are perfect. So let's okay. So initially I just like gave a single prompt without anything, and now I have like a proper prompt with the context. For the website we have the prompt. This is the prompt. Then I have like objective. Then I have like the platform here. Then visual directions, right? So complete context in the prompt. So let's see how actually this works now. So this is basically going to take a lot of time. So I'll be keeping this video, making it forward so you can see directly the results after this prompt, right? So let's okay. Let's quickly check this thing Figma has. Okay, G. Figma just made a good thing right this way. That it actually didn't took that much of a time, but yeah, we have Thrive Mind, a wellness website right here. So strengthen your mind one day at a time. Okay, we have some property package here. So then your journey to the mental wellness, really good. Great. It works. Step one, step two, step three. We have the section right here, stories of transformation, real people, real progress, really good. And yeah, it looks really pretty cool. And then you can do just like again the changes here. So let's see. Let's try one thing here. So if I just select this one and I just select this div and I'm just going to write here that make it bigger, right? And then just going to hit enter. So let's see how actually now Figma works on this selective div. Either it is going to write the complete code again, or maybe it is going to like write the code for this hero section only. So let's see. It is working, and Figma is again just quickly change. Figma just quickly changed into the design version, and probably now it is just going to yeah. That's a pretty good thing that Figma only wrote. Like the code for this hero sections. Overall, it really looks cool to me. Let's see how it looks in this view. But if I give my honest remarks to Figma, for the first design that I created, this is a valley, this landing page with just a single line form. It took six versions and then took around 10 minutes approximately to write the codes for this landing page in a single form, single line. And then I had a like, complete prompt with full context and everything, right, for this website for the wellness thing. And it looks pretty cool. We can enhance the animations, interactions, and everything, and then we can make it live as well. So overall, it looks really great, really good. So I'm going to give it out of 10, and 2 points I'm detecting due to the time it took for the one page, and then it's doing error 6 1. So obviously that's how actually Figma works. And if you do have an access to Figma, okay, so that's how basically actually it works into the Figma. So if you have an access to the Figma, may please do try based on this video and how actually you experience them. Do let me know.